Okay, so if we check out these 6 problems, whenever you're talking about is something a solution, remember that solution just means the value for a variable that makes the equation true. It's all about truth value. So to solve that, you just plug in the value and then you simplify. Well, over here, that's going to give me 3 minus 16, but 3 minus 16 equals negative 13 instead of 13, so the answer is no. 4 is not a solution to that equation. On 8, you plug in the negative 1, and you get 3 minus a negative 1, so plug in negative 1 for x, equals negative 4 times negative 1. Well, 3 minus a negative 1 becomes 3 plus 1, which gives you 2 times 4, and then we've already found out that negative 4 times negative 1 is 4. Well, 2 times 4 clearly does not equal 4, so for both of these, 7 and 8, our answer is no. For 9, 10, 11, and 12, we're using combining like terms and the distributive property. So on 9, we have no distributive property, so we just combine like terms, changing everything to plus and negative. Look at the x's first. 3x and negative 4x is negative x. Negative 5y and negative 7y is negative 12y. So negative x plus negative 12y is the correct answer there. On 10, this is a tricky one that you got to be careful with. Make sure you change 4 minus 3 to 4 plus a negative 3, and then minus 4 to plus a negative 4. If not, you're going to be likely to mess up on your negative, because you need to make sure negative 3 times 2 gives you a negative 6x. And then negative 3 times negative 4 gives you a positive 12. Add those together, and you get 16 plus a negative 6x. On 11, you're going to do 3 times 2x and 3 times 3y to get 6x plus 9y. Just a direct application of distributive property. Then again, change your plus and negative on both of these. Negative 3 times x is a negative 3x. And negative 3 times negative 2 is a positive 6y. Add the x's together as like terms. 6x plus negative 3x is 3x. Add the y's together, and you get 15y. So 3x plus 15y. And then finally on 12, it's the same idea. 2a times 3b is 6. Now make sure you understand that it's 2 times 3 to get 6, and a times b to get ab. And then 2a times 2 is 4a, and then 4b times 2b is 8b squared. 4 times 2 is 8, b times b is b squared. And 4b times negative 4 is a negative 16b. And if you look closely at this problem, there are no like terms because none of them have the exact same variable. And so 6ab plus 4a plus ab squared minus 6b is your final answer.